Hey guys, it's Brooke and today I am eating some beautiful pizza and Noelle is over there just drinking her juice box, not on the chair.
I can't open it.
Oh.
I'm trying to open it. Here, Noelle, here.
Oh, okay. I'm just eating this pizza. Yum.
I'm just trying to...
Oh my god, my teeth!
I already did.
My teeth!
Do you really need to put it in a cup, Noelle? Yeah, because me and Brooke want it.
You're gonna see this delightful pepperoni pizza, and you're gonna watch me take a big, nice bite out of it.
I need help.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Why don't you take a straw and open it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's more straws.
Oh, okay. So, and that is every month, yeah, right?
The pepperoni pizza. How good it is.
Ah, okay. So thank you so much. I have
Yeah. Oh, this is a good idea.
Wait, what? Wait, no. But it's in your mouth. Well, that's just gonna take longer. As you can see, I'm almost done with my pizza. I just connected to Wi-Fi, tell us. And if you didn't know, my Noelle is over there. Just I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Really loud.
I'm so sorry.
Funny moments, guys. Sorry.
And I'm recording too. I'm so sorry. As you can see there, guys, I just farted. I'm so sorry. And we're gonna re-watch this video and it's gonna be so funny. Big bite of pizza.
Maybe the pizza made you fart.
Sorry. Oh, Mary, you're right. You're right. Maybe I should give myself a pizza slap for being dumb. Pizza. Oh, I gave myself a pizza slap. What is on my pizza slap? Whoa, pizza slap, pizza slap. Noelle. I pizza slapped myself. In the movie Expelled, they pizza slapped themselves way harder. I pizza slapped myself.
Well, me and Brooke wanted to do this juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like 9 in each one.
Anong magtagap-tagap nun ka?
Wala tayong tuyo na.
It was hard to... Is this mine?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry, I broke
Why
it
do I
again.
get a pink one?
I don't know, but anyways.
Hi guys, this is me.
Yeah. So yeah.
She farted.
I know.